Hi, it's Emily. Today we're going to be talking meal prep. I don't know about you, but for me, that term used to be super intimidating. I had this idea that it meant making every single meal for every day of the week. But in reality, it can be much more simple than that. Contrary to what some people may believe, my life doesn't revolve around a fitness regimen or food. I found ways of incorporating these activities into my daily life so that they don't feel like burdens that I eventually want to abandon. So now I'm going to share with you some of those tips and tricks that help me realize just how simple meal prep can be. Start with simple recipes that are quick to prepare. Once you've made the recipe and you're happy with the result, try doubling it the next time you prepare it. Store leftovers in the fridge so that you have another meal for the week ready to go. This whole grain couscous and chickpea salad is a great example. There are only 7 ingredients and it's ready in under 20 minutes. And because it's a cold salad, you don't need a microwave to heat it, making it a great meal to bring with you while you're on the go. Notice how half the bowl is peppers, the vegetable, a quarter is couscous, the whole grain food, and a quarter is chickpeas, the protein food. So it respects the Eat Well plate guidelines. Another trick is to store leftovers of a recipe in the freezer. Foods can generally be stored in the freezer for up to 3 months, so you can defrost the meal anytime within that period. You can freeze the food in one big container so that you have a dinner ready for the whole family after a long day of work, or you can freeze the food in individual portions so that you're able to have a few lunches ready for the next couple of months. Something else to keep in mind is that meal prepping, let's say on the weekend or Sunday evening, allows for grocery shopping for the week to be done all in one trip and saves time later on. It also makes it easier to make smart decisions when you're hungry. You can open the fridge and find enough healthy and good options for snacks. Let's go over the key points to remember. 1. Meal prep does not have to mean preparation of every meal and snack for the week. It can simply mean preparation of just a few meals and snacks for the week. 2. Doubling a recipe is a great way to prepare future meals without the hassle of cooking multiple times. 3. Food can be stored in the fridge or freezer in portions for the whole family or in individual portions. And lastly, meal prepping on one day of the week, i.e. grocery shopping and cooking, saves time. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask your coach.